Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change region in eFootball. Firstly, open eFootball on your device, then go to the settings menu from the main screen. Look for account or region settings. This varies slightly by platform. If available, select the region or country or residency. Choose the desired region from the list, then confirm your selection and restart the game if needed. Some versions of eFootball may not allow region changes directly inside the app. If region changes is restricted, you might need to change your device's region or language settings instead, and changing your device region may affect other apps and services, and in some cases creating a new account with a desired region might be better. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.